welcome to Maths on Thursday. Today we are doing an investigation using what we've learned this week. So we've learned shapes, we've learned how to draw angles and how to measure angles, and we're going to combine them all in a bit of an investigation. And the investigation is as follows. So we are designing your dream mini golf course. So if you have been chosen to design a pro mini golf course for the Australian PMGA Tour event, your course needs to be challenging for the players, and it can have bunkers, mountains, forest, lava lakes, and as many obstacles as you can think. Once you have designed your holes, you need to show how a professional would hit using angles to bounce off the walls to be able to get it in. So, what do you need to do first? Step 1, there is going to be 5 holes that you are going to create. So 5 different holes. And they need to be at least displays of parallel lines, so lines that go across from each other, that never touch, and perpendicular lines, which are lines that create like this. At least 2 of each angle. So an acute angle, an obtuse right angle, a reflex angle, and straight angles need to be included in your shots, and a variety of 2D shapes in the bunkers. I know reading that's probably a little bit confusing, so let's have a look at an example and let's talk our way through it. So our shapes here, we have our triangles and we have our quadrilaterals, and they are all going to represent our obstacles. So we might say I have a sand pit that is an obstacle on my golf course, and that is going to be a diamond. So I would draw a diamond and I would draw a line saying that that's a sand pit. My parallel lines and my perpendicular lines, they can be used to do the outside of a golf hole, or they could be used they have to hit the golf ball through the middle of the parallel lines. Okay, you might have a obstacle that is a forest, so you have a number of trees that triangles that represent those trees. So let's have a look at an example to show you what it is that you need to do. Okay, so here is an example for you. So this is an example of a golf course. So the outside lines here is the area where the golf course is happening. And then inside we have some obstacles. So we have like a isosceles triangle, which you could say represents a tree, or it could represent a pyramid, or it could represent a lake, whatever you would like it to be. We've got some trapeziums, and so essentially your shapes are there to be used as obstacles. Okay, and you need a circle for the end because that's where you will be finishing the golf course. So a circle at the beginning and then a circle at the end for where the ball needs to end, the golf ball needs to end up. Okay, and then you have to pretend that you're going to shoot the ball. So to win this golf course, you would need to hit the ball up once, twice, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and when you finish, you need to measure what that angle would be. So we know that that is quite a large angle, so we're going to say that that's an obtuse angle. If we hit it here, would it come directly at a right angle? No, it would go up and it would come off. Okay, so we need to work out what the angles would be, and we're going to label them. So you need to first of all create the golf hole, and then you need to pretend that you're playing it. So create your golf hole and then put it all together. There are 5 that you need to do in your booklet. If you would like to do one and send it through to me to see whether you're on the right track, please do. I'm available to talk you through it on Zoom as well. So have a look at the assignment and see whether you would like any help with it and let me know. And that's your task for today, and it'll continue on tomorrow as well.